everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of Unprocessed, The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and the soon-to-be-released Own Your Health. And this is where I show you recipes for healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. So today I'm going to show you air fryer magic, and we're going to make radishes and shishito peppers. Well, we're not going to make it. The air fryer is going to make it. Nature already made the vegetables, but if you ever have a vegetable that's about to go bad, or you don't know what to do with it, or maybe you don't even like, repurpose it, put it in the air fryer, and magic occurs. So I'm not really crazy about radishes. I'll eat them, but when you air fry them, they are amazing. There's this bag of multicolored radishes from Trader Joe's. If you haven't seen my Trader Joe's video, I'll link to it. Check it out. The whole bag is like 45 calories. And you know, radishes can be a little bit bitter, but I don't know, when you air fry them, they become sweet and amazing. So really, all you do is put it on the air fryer tray, and that's it. They don't need any seasoning. Now, they're different colors, and some of them are a lot larger. So for the ones that are larger, I think I will cut them in half, just because they'll cook more evenly that way. But I have also done it without doing that, and it's been absolutely fine to do that. I don't know why, but everything tastes better in purple. It's just amazing. So if you haven't tried these radishes of many colors, I really recommend them. The little ones I'm going to keep like that, because you just pop them in your mouth, and they are so, so good. There we go. So yeah, this bag, they had a lot of big ones. Sometimes they're all small, which is like perfect. And you know, I really don't have any advice to you on air fryer temperatures, because I don't use any books. I just put everything in at 400 degrees for 20 minutes and hope for the best. And if it's not done, I just add a little bit of time. I'll cut this one too. And if you can afford the Breville, I really recommend it, because the other ones, while they're very good, are just too small for batch cooking, and that is what I do. There's no reason to just make little bits. So here I was cutting every one. I said I wasn't going to do that, but it looked so pretty cut. And I'll keep those really tiny ones small. So there's room on the tray, so I just throw in what I have. Sometimes I have sweet corn. So today I have shishito peppers, and I'm sorry that these aren't organic. Trader Joe's does sell these organic, but they were out of them. And these are also delicious air fried. And for these, I'm just going to put it on the same tray. Now, these are not that spicy in general, but like the bag warns you, every now and then one will be super spicy, but for the most part, they're not, and they're fantastic air fried. So do as many trays of vegetables as you can, and like, everything tastes great in an air fryer. Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, all the starches like butternut squash, you name it. So I'm going to put this in for 20 minutes at 400, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. So these have been in the air fryer for 20 minutes at 400, and you can see that the peppers are really, really done. The radishes, I think, could use a little more time. I probably should have put them on separate trays, but I didn't. And so what I can do is just pop these back in. But these are actually really, really good even just now. It just changes the flavor, makes them sweeter, makes them softer. You could put spices on if you want. Let's see how these are. Delicious. If you saw the episode with Chef Bravo making the turnip puree, we used that as a dip for this. Anyway, I just want you to know that if there's a vegetable you haven't tried, or maybe don't like, or is about to go bad, don't throw it out. Repurpose it in the air fryer. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I make healthy taste delicious so that you can have both the health and the body that you so richly deserve. Take care.